Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to hide your birthday on Facebook. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once Facebook is open, we can move to your profile and access the settings for your birthday. Now, look at the bottom right side of the screen and tap on your profile icon. Your Facebook profile will open, and from here we can edit your profile information. Once your profile is open, look at the middle of the screen and tap on Edit Profile. This will take you to the section where your profile information is shown. Now look for the birthday option, where your date of birth is mentioned. On the right side of your birthday, you'll see a pencil icon. Tap on that pencil icon to edit your birthday visibility. After tapping the pencil icon, you'll see the privacy option for your month and day. Tap on the privacy option and select Only Me so that this part of your birthday is hidden from other people. Now go to the Year section and select the privacy option there as well. Choose Only Me just like you did for the month and day. Once you've selected Only Me for both the month and day as well as the year, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Set. Your birthday visibility will now be updated. And that's how you can hide your birthday on Facebook so that no one can see it except you. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Facebook tutorials.